All right. So we'll wait. Because chances are she's going all the way around the loop. Here she comes. Driving like a crazy woman. Hey, you. Hey.
Freaking beast. It's fast and like I have so much control.
Do you like this one better than yours?
I like this one a lot.
Well, here's the thing. With this one, there's no front basket, no rear basket. No place.
Okay.
No. Well, what I'm saying is there's no place to carry anything.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing I wanted to point out to you. Mm-hmm. If you want to upgrade, if you like this one better and you want to hold on to this one, I'll sell the Scoria and you can.
It's nice.
I'm going to have this for a while yet. Mm-hmm. So next time you're here, you can ride it again and then maybe also take yours out. Mm-hmm. And that way you compare them both and then go from there. I don't care if you want to upgrade to it. Because I'll just sell yours.
I mean, it almost feels like a motorcycle.
I know.
And
you see it's got 2 headlights in the front?
Yeah, I saw that.
2 batteries.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this thing is a monster. I like it. The control, I'm just like zooming. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Might as well get that on video too. Okay, Amanda, I've seen you zipping around here on the Ingway the M20. So tell us how you like it.
I like it a lot. Like the balance is really nice. I don't feel like I'm swerving out of control. Like you saw me. I was going.
You were zigzagging all over the place.
Zigzagging just fine. I had full control of the bike.
Nice. So Amanda currently has a Mach Wheel Scoria, and I told her and my other daughter that at any point they want to trade up, they're welcome to do that. And right now she's thinking she may want to trade up and take this over and let the Mach Wheel Scoria go. So, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So we'll ride it a couple more times, when you come visit, and then make a decision.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely. Woohoo! All right. Excellent. All right. So where do you want to go?
Wherever your heart wants to take us.
Okay, you follow me. You follow me.
I'm gonna follow you.
All right. All right, we're playing follow the leader, so one thing I will mention to you is that one is a dual suspension too. So you have the suspension in the rear, which helps make it a little more comfortable compared to the Scoria, which doesn't. It only has the suspension in the front.
Yeah, I mean, that's something else I know. Like, the seat isn't the most comfortable, but it's still like a really comfortable ride.
Well, here's the thing, and with that, you have to lean forward a little bit to get past all those batteries and stuff. So, like on a longer ride, if you're riding it for a few hours, that might get tiresome. So you don't have that upright position. We're going to take a left here. All right, so let's test out that suspension a little bit. So let's go this way. You know what? It's a little muddy down through here. Yeah, we got to be careful because it rained today. Yeah, that might not be a good idea. We'll have to wait till it's nice and dry. Oh yeah, look at that. But I took the Jansno bike and I went through here and I kept going up and down all the way down, just kind of testing it out. A lot of fun. All right, so let's just zip. Goats. What's that? What did you say?
The grass is greener on the other side.
Oh.
Did you see the goat with his head through the
Yeah,
fence?
went through the fence. This way. This way.
Best part, brakes on.
And I've changed those brake pads out 2 times. I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
I don't know what it is. That's a no outlet, so we may have to. Well, let's take a right. I think this will take us back to that other side over there. Nope, this is just a cul-de-sac. We got to do a loop-de-loop. I want you to break your neck. Nice. All right, Amanda.
The other bike, I would not feel comfortable doing that.
Really?
Yeah, this one, like, it is so easy
I wonder
to
what-
handle and it feels so much, like, lighter almost.
I wonder. It's not because you got 2 batteries, and those batteries add a lot of weight. So
I don't know, like,
it's just better balanced, I guess.
yeah, I mean,
Something
maybe
with
it's the basket in front of the other one, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. That's the only downfall is not being able to haul anything with you. That's
You just have to get a backpack, or, you know, they've got packs that you can strap to your leg that
Yeah.
motorcycles.
I mean, we can do small things like this, you know, and then, you know, they make a bag that would fit underneath that battery right down here. So we could get something like that too. And so there's little things we could do like that to give you a little storage, but you're not going to go grocery shopping with it. You know, that wouldn't work. So. Okay, hold on. Yep. We came from there. Well, I don't know where this takes us though. Since that other turned out to be a dead end, let's go this way. There's a gazebo, man. I've been out there once. Right, where are we headed? Let's go see where we end up. You saw, I didn't notice him earlier until just now. Complete with the vest and everything. Want to go check it out? Nope. They're hitting the water out there, so there's fish here, but don't see any gators either. Ah. Okay. This is a Kodak moment. This is a Kodak moment.
What do you want me to do?
Turn around and smile.
Stare at the water. I don't know. You're like, ooh, pose for a picture. Oh, there's a fishy. There's a fishy. Look.
Oh yeah, it's nice, him. Over there too. To your right. Amanda. Look here. You looking over there?
Uh-huh. I don't know where the camera is.
Peaceful.
Yes.
This is a super nice neighborhood.
I like this.
Snap a picture. I'm gonna turn it sideways though.
You need me to move this?
Nah. I'll get both of them in the picture. And you. Maybe I'll do one just of it later, but. Really? What? Oh, did he get? He got squished? That's too bad. So I had a really gross experience with a lizard last week. Yeah. So on the side of the house, we have the water spigot, and we have, I put a new hose on it, and the squishy handle was laying off to the side. And I got rid of the, what was it? I think it was when I was spraying down that table before I painted it. I grabbed the handle, stuck it on the end of the hose, squirted it on there, turned the water on so all the water filled up. I sprayed it a couple of times, but it didn't have the spray pattern I wanted, so I twisted it a couple of times, and I tried spraying it, and it kind of went, and I stopped and looked. There had been a lizard inside there, and he was half shot out and cut in half because I twisted the, my stomach turned. And of course, right there where the thing had been laying was a baby lizard. I wanted to cry. Oh, it upset me because I like lizards. If it had been a snake or something, no, I wouldn't have shed a tear or wouldn't have thought twice about it. Kind of gross, but because it was a lizard, it was like, yeah, that bothered me a little bit. I hated it. I'm not sure. I think there's a pedestrian gate over there.